Good day, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed listeners, and thank you for joining me today. Imagine a world where our revered national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal, is no longer a central figure in our collective consciousness. A world where his ideals and teachings has been replaced by new narratives. Is this possible? Let's explore. Today, I'll explore the idea of making results obsolete and why it's essential for our growth as a nation. Dr. Jose Rizal lived during a pivotal period in the Philippine history. The late 19th century was marked by Spanish colonization, oppression, and the quest for national identity. His literary works, particularly No Limitang Hire and El Filibusterismo, were revolutionary. They exposed the injustice suffered by Filipinos and ignited the flames of nationalism. While Rizal's impact remains undeniable, we must recognize that our nation has evolved. New challenges, globalization, technology, and socio-political shifts demand fresh perspectives. Our identity isn't monolithic. Modern Filipino grapple with complexities, balancing tradition and progress, embracing diversity and navigating a globalized world. We can honor Rizal without confining ourselves to his legacy alone. Our heroes should reflect with multi-faced nature of our society. Rather than idolizing Rizal uncritically, let's encourage our critical thinking. How can his teachings be relevant in today's context? Education should empower students to question, analyze, and interpret historical figures. Rizal's ideas should be discussed, dissected, and contextualized. Memorizing Rizal's life events isn't enough. Let's delve into the nuances and philosophy, ethics, and vision. We can honor Rizal by allowing room for critical examination. Encourage students to explore beyond the textbook narratives. Our history is rich with lesser known heroes, activists, artists, and ordinary citizens who contributed to our nation's progress. Rizal need not be the sole symbol of Filipino greatness. Let's celebrate the contribution of others: Bonifacio, Mabini, General Luna, and countless more. Our heroes collectively shape our identity. Their narratives intertwine, enriching our understanding of nationhood. Obsolescence doesn't erase Rizal, it means evolution. We can integrate his teachings into contemporary contexts. Leverage technology to disseminate his ideas, blogs, podcasts, social media. Address current inequalities using Rizal's principles of justice and compassion. Apply his love for nature to environmental conservation efforts. As we navigate obsolescence, remember that heroes aren't static movements. They inspire us to create a better future. Let's honor Rizal by evolving, questioning, and building upon his foundation. Thank you.